Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Login. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your EQ Bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and the default search engine. Then search EQ Bank Login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to secure.eqbank.ca. It will then take you to the official website of EQ Bank. There, enter your email address, then enter your password. To confirm your password, you can view it by clicking to this eye icon. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to sign in. Then you should be able to access your EQ Bank account. To make login easier for next time, you can click to remember my email. But I do not recommend you doing it in a public computer or a shared device. If you have forgot your password, you can click to forgot password to get help. And if you are new to EQ Bank, you can enroll a new account by clicking to sign up. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.